Hello my friend, my name is Sanjay. Today I'll talk about in React how can you create a multi-layout. Like if you have a front end and back end, so you need a different header and footer for the front end and different header footer for the back end. Okay, so I install the React, I configure the React here and I'll show you the first look, how it look like. So this is the first look. Okay, so now I'll go here and I create layout. So I'll first I create a folder. Its name is layout, and under this folder I create two files. First one is front.js, and second one is back.js for the backend and front end. Okay, and here I'll create two more files. First is frontend.js, and no, I don't need, I just home, because I think the name is in home and about us. In a home page I'm using sorry, in a home page I am using the front layout, and about us I am using the back layout. Okay, so I need to put it on the code in a back about us page. Import react component. Then I render it. About us and export default. Okay, so now create about us page. I just copy it and just paste it and rename this one. Home. Okay, so home page completed and about us completed. Okay, I'll create two pages here. Okay, so now I need to work with this one, so I just copy and paste it. Sorry, so I just copy it and just paste it to the same look like that. Okay, so now this is the front front layout. So the same thing is we have the props and we just put the props here, and here we need two things like header and footer. Okay, so for now I don't create a header and footer, I only create a text for the h1 tag. Okay, so h1 tag I put the header one and footer one, right? And between the header and footer I need to put the component. So this dot props dot children. Okay, actually this gives error because react react dot fragment, and putting fragment. I'll talk about my another tutorial about how why I am using fragment and why I am using this dot prop dot children for there. For now, I just need to look at you how you can create a multi layout. Okay, so I just copy it. I'm doing very quickly. So this is the back. Let's go back and just copy and paste. And here I just create a header 2 and footer 2. So you can identify that which one calling front and back. So the back everything done there. Okay. So now I go to the app.js. Okay, so this content we look at on the front end. When I open the website, this is putting Anna here. Okay, so now I just delete all these things from there, deleted, and then I need to import router, uh, and this is from the React. Basically, we need to install this package, because by default there's not package included when you can install it. So we need to install this package. Okay. So now I go here and router, and if you okay, so okay, I'll do both of them. So now by default it's putting like that, like in a single layout we can route path, something like that, and here component, and the name of the component here, like home, and all of these like home, about us, whatever, for home and like that. So I'm doing like that. I'm doing a different way. So I'm importing first. I import all the file first. Import home from home, and import about us from. Okay, so I'll importing both file here, and also I need to import for layout. So I just commented here layouts. So import front from import back ds back from. Okay, so I'm putting both files, front end and back end. Sorry. So now I'm not follow this one, because doing this one we have a issue. So I create a function, uh, construct app layout, app route. Okay, so now app route, uh, basically this is a function. They need some parameters. So like the parameter is components, and layout. I will explain you all the points. I'll put it down here. And now I put the rest of the things which I putting like a path and all different things. Okay, so now I create an arrow function here. Sorry, so create an arrow function. Okay, so here I'm putting the route and another route. I need to do that. First I need to call this rest and then I just render it, render, and under here we just call the props, and the props containing all the layout and the component as well. So under there I just put the layout, and under the layout I need to put components. Under the component I need to put props, and then I just close the tab, and here it is. Okay, so now I need to call it as a route. So I go here and put it down and go to the path. I need to put path slash, and the layout is front, and component is home. Okay, so okay, I don't want to put much more bigger, so I need to close it. Okay, here is. So basically I need to I just call this function with the parameter, with the layout I'm putting here, the component putting here, and the home. So okay, so I just go here. So now nothing will be displayed, right? Okay, so front end call here, the layout call here, and rest of function call here. Okay, route. Okay, so props. So now when I call the home, what it's calling here? About us page. I think I just put something wrong. Give me a second. About us page, about us, home us page. Oh, sorry, home. And the front end layout, I'm putting this one, and back end, I'm putting this one, right? So front, I think that's missing here. So app.js, I just put a front. Oh, is right. Okay. Okay. So now I think okay, when I press it, I think the header footer not coming. Okay. So this is home page. Okay, give me. I just change it. Okay, home home page. I just home page. Okay. So okay. One more thing I need to tell you. Whenever you can change the here, I just say putting. I'm just show you why this. Okay, when I make it capital component, so layout is not working because we need to they also we have what the JavaScript framework, so we need they are very case sensitive, so we definitely you need to know about where you can put the small letter and capital letter in there. So we just need to care about. So now the coming header and footer here with the home page, and I need to call another one, so I just go through and sorry. Okay, so I just copy it. Okay, so here I'm just change the layout, so I just call the backend. So I put in the backend and putting the on the page about, but I definitely need to change the router. So I whenever hit about, so they call a different layout like that. This one header 1 and header 2. Okay, let me check. So by default when I put about, so basically you putting both of them at the same time. So the other scenario you need to do in a app.js and put in the exact 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 ex exact exact exact. So doing this exact keyword, they have separated. So whenever you can go click on the root, the header one, when I click on about, come for different layer. So the layout working like that. Hope you liked my video, and this is my first video, so I'm just a little bit nervous about that one. And I'll create another video for the Redux and how can you create the navigation. Actually, I just create a beginning video. This is my first video. I just think about it. You need to create a video for the React. Okay, hope you like this video, and if you need any suggestion and any enhancement in a video, so please write down a comment in the bottom. And thanks for watching the video. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye bye.